Hello kids and welcome to Me You Draw channel. Today we're going to draw a very cute character Peppa Pig. Get your paper, pencil and colors ready. Let's start. First, let's draw an oval tilted slightly to the left. This will be Peppa's round, chubby face. Draw with a light hand so the lines stay nice and soft. Now let's add a cowboy hat on top of Peppa's head. Draw the wide brim stretching out to both sides. Then add the crown with a gentle curve. Don't forget a pink ribbon and a cute little flower on one side. Next, draw two big round eyes near the top of her face. Add a small round pink nose with two tiny nostrils. Then, give Peppa a big happy smile and two rosy chubby cheeks. She looks so cheerful. Let's draw a rounded triangle shape for her dress. A bright pink dress will make Peppa stand out beautifully. From under the dress, draw two short straight lines for her legs. Then add her small black shoes. Finally, draw her little arms on each side, and her curly tail at the back. Peppa is holding a small garden fork. Maybe she's ready for some gardening. And there you go, your drawing of Peppa Pig is all done. Now it's time to color her in beautifully.